Hello YouTube, Boss Moki here para sa Encuentro Creepy TV. So ito may bagong upload. Bago ba? 4 days ago. Hindi ko nakita to Si Nook's Top 5. So bago lahat, shoutout muna yung mga nasa baba. Team Green Minded. Shoutout sila Mr. Sila Eunice, Squeezy Cubs, Ismael, Brother Mel, Huis Ahmed, Kudeng. Ayan, Minato Uzumaki. So, shoutout sa inyo. So, tingnan natin tong upload ni Nook's Top 5. So, subscribe kayo sa kanya, Nook's Top 5. Let's go.
The newest addition to my collection. Just bought it from the antique store.
Doll collector Linda Deary from Murfreesboro, Tennessee was browsing Facebook Marketplace one day when she saw an ad placed by a woman who was giving away 4 antique dolls for free.
Nice.
Linda drove to the woman's house and picked up the dolls. When she got back home, she posed the dolls on her bed and began taking pictures. But then something very odd happened. The dolls seemed to move right before her eyes. Linda grabbed her phone and started filming. Soon after,
Napansin ko dito. Kama yan, di ba? Ba't nakaayos ng ganyan yung mga yung mga maniga mo? Sarili ba nilang kama yan? May sariling kama ang mga maniga. Tsaka sige, tuloy pa natin.
after this, Linda and her partner began to experience strange and unexplained activity. Personal items around their house would go missing, and objects seemed to move on their own or get knocked off shelves. One day, Linda gets a bad haircut from a local hairdresser, so she decides to make a video showing off her terrible new hairdo. But what happens next?
Second red flag. TikToker. Ewan ko kung TikTok ito. Tama, TikTok yan. Tingnan natin.
Is truly bizarre.
Hi. A lot of people want to see what my hair looks like. So I want to see the sides. Like my bangs, I've had to fix my bangs myself. But this is what it looks like if I don't straighten pieces of it. And it's just a whole mess. Dang it. That scared me. Okay.
Camera falls on its own. Gaano kami kasigurado na ikaw lang dyan? Kwento mo yan Di ba? At saka yung maniga kanina, parang nakaayos siya Saka meron naman maniga na ganun kasi dati bata pa ako, meron kaming maniga tita ko na nakikita ko kumikembot siya So, malay natin ngayon di remote na. Pero dati kasi di battery lang. So, pag inon mo yung maniga, magkikembot lang siya. Kaya kung tawagin namin yung manigang yun, si Kembot. Mahilig siya kumembot. So, pag inon mo yun, magkikembot lang yung manika na yun. Saka napansin ko bakit nakaayos sa kama yung mga manika. Tapos kinuhanan mo. Parang hindi naman yata. Hindi naman out of the blue na kinamerahan mo yun. Kasi nakaayos Nakaayos yung mga manika So, sabihin, sariling kama nila yung manika niya. Ito naman, gaano kami kasigurado na ikaw lang mag-isa dyan? Hindi naman, maaring nalaglag. Okay, tuloy natin. Nangyayari naman talaga yun.
God, what the was that? Did you see that? It ran, oh no.
May kasama ka dyan. Lumalaw.
At first, Linda believes that all the frightening activity in her house is likely caused by the playful ghost of a little girl who
Medyo red flag yun. Oh, hindi naman niya pinakita yung buong na siya lang talaga mag-isa dun eh. Mali ba namin na may kasama ka dyan?
Who might be
Ano
attached to
naman
her
ito?
new dolls. She even finds the whole idea kind of funny and jokes about it
Ano yun?
online.
Gumagalaw?
One day, Linda sets up the whole idea girl who might be attached to her new dolls. She even finds
Pansinin nyo yung ano palagi yung gumagalaw na maniga. Hindi siya yung ano lagi siyang may dahilan para gumalaw kasi nakatago siya parang may gumagalaw sa likod niya. So yung kaninang gumalaw na unang maniga, pwede yun na may gumagalaw naman talagang maniga. Dati meron din kami yan. So pwede ring i-remote yan. Eto, pwede ring remote ito. Hindi ko naman sinasabing peke baka nga naman hunted yan. Pero ito lang yung nakikita ko, parang palaging nakasetup yung nakasetup yung mga manikang gumagalaw. Yeah, tingnan natin.
the whole idea
Pangatlo kasi siya, nagti-TikTok siya. Tsaka kung ito yung lagi ko sinasabi ganyan, gumalaw sa harapan mo yung manika, mantika tuloy. Yung maniga, wala lang sa'yo. Hindi siguro.
kind of funny and jokes about it online. One day, Linda sets up a silly video for her social media where she puts a Chucky doll inside a cupboard, waiting for it to fall out. But this is when things start to take a terrifying turn.
I think it's about to be a mess. Let's see. It was Chucky. What the Okay, I didn't plan this one. Chucky's just supposed to pop out, but his hair is moving. Holy shit. What the hell? Okay, I really do. Oh no, move that. Oh my.
Wala yun. Ewan ko kung totoo nga yun Kasi content creator siya. Nagko-content siya sa TikTok. So medyo hindi ako believe sa kanya. Ginagawa na niyang ginagawa na niyang content siguro, sumikat siya. Yung paggalaw nung kay Chucky na yun, pwede naman yun kasi marami naman laruan ngayon na di-control na. Hindi ako Anyway, bahala kayo. Hindi ko naman sinasabing pegi yan. Yun lang yung palagay ko. Next na.
My God. It's over.
The video goes very wrong as the doll's hair begins to just get even call the police. So officers arrive on scene and review footage recorded by the couple's front door Ring camera.
This is our house.
Let's look at it before.
Yung yung gumagalaw na buhok. Pwede naman paypayan yun. Hindi naman nakikita yung gilid Pwede mo paypay lang na dahan-dahan yun. O may taga-paypay siya. Ginawa na niya kasi content kaya ang hirap paniwalaan Di bali sana ko isang beses lang Sinunod-sunod na niya siguro nasarapan siya dahil pumatok yung video niya. Marami nag-like sa kanya, marami nag-follow sa kanya. Tsaka hindi ganun hindi ganun ang itsura ng mga takot. Ginawa na niya content
Yeah, dude. Something's in our fucking window right now, bro.
Stop being hyper, please. It's scaring me.
Ready? Something's in our fucking window.
Ano yun?
As the motion-triggered video starts, it looks like someone or something has pulled the couple's front curtain open. But
Uy,
even
puta rin ano yan. Ano sabi mo?
creepier, whoever this person is, they appear to be inside the house. Then whoever it is seems to slam the curtain closed again with a bang.
Sinara ba yung bintana? Yung ano? Sinara ba yung kortina? Hindi, parang hindi mo.
Creepier, whoever this person is, they appear to be inside the house. Then whoever it is seems to
Hinawakan yung kortina. So, ibig sabihin, solid yan. Baka may nakakapasok sa inyo. Hindi nyo alam. Sinara pa yung kortina eh. Maaring ano yan. Akit bahay yan. Ba, dapat matakot kayo dyan. Hindi paranormal yun. Kasi sinara yung kortina eh. Tao yun. Nakapasok sa bahay yun.
slam the curtain closed again with a bang.
Oh, next.
4 dolls from her yard sale.
To the thief that stole these dolls out of the yard sale at 3 o'clock this morning, you're going to regret it. They're haunted. Had you waited till sunlight,
Ano, ginawa na niyang content ano. Ayun, wala na. Pegi na to. Wala na credibility sa akin ito. Inaraw-araw na niya yung content niya ng
you would have seen the sign that was under them that said haunted dolls. If you
They're gonna need it.
wala yan.
From his frantic wife, who asks him to check their surveillance camera footage on his phone. When he watches the video back, it chills him to his core.
Ano kaya aso? Anong sound yun? Nagwala yung aso.
An unexplained spooky little voice can be heard whispering, "Hello." And the
Masan?
family dog just goes nuts.
Bakit gumalaw yung ano, yung camera? Ba't gumalaw yung camera? May gumalaw. Ayaw ko, sa akin na ano yun ah. Maaring nagtitrip yun. Hello. Kayang-kaya ko rin eh. Tapos, ang ano kasi doon, nagalaw yung camera. Maaring nasa likod siya niyan or nasa blind side siya. Blind spot. Blind side tuloy. Blind spot. Pinaprank niya yung aso niya. Parang ganun. Ewan ko. Bahala kayo. So, para sa akin yun. Hindi paranormal. Parang ginawa lang. Ang dali namang gawin yun. Bahala kayo. Baka mamaya, kaya gumalaw yung camera na nasagi niya yun.
Once a cemetery. The school even honors its dark history by featuring real pieces of old recovered headstones on its walls inside the school. So, late one Friday night,
Normal na tahol na aso yun. Oh, normal lang yun. Hindi ano yun. May camera na pwede i-move gamit ang cellphone. Oh, meron naman yun. Meron naman. Pero, ibig sabihin, kung merong pwedeng galawin yun, pwede ka rin magsalita doon na maririnig nung nasa bahay. Halimbawa, nasa labas ako, igalaw ko yung camera, pwede rin ako magsalita na, hello, na nasa labas ako. At maririnig yun sa camera, di ba? May speaker yun. Pwedeng ganun. Kung nakokontrol mo yung camera, So, ibig sabihin, may audio rin yun. Paloob. May speaker yun. Hindi ako convinced dun.
Night, a janitor is working the night shift at Cathedral High School when something happens that makes his blood run cold.
All right, I usually don't record while I'm on the job, but this is freaking me out. It's sort of unreal. Here at work, I'm here in the janitor's closet.
Ano naman
Yeah,
to?
let me just show you guys.
Social na talaga ngayon, ano? Kahit yung mga ordinaryong ano lang, ano? Kailangan mag-camera pa, no? May purpose ito. Kung nasa trabaho ka, nagka-camera ka.
All right.
Uy, Ma'am Irene, nakauwi ka na? Buti naman nakauwi ka na. Uy, Ma'am Irene, sumisikat ka na, ha? Dumadami na yung subscriber mo, ha? Mukhang kakalimutan, ha? Ako una nag-react sa'yo, ha? Kung kakalimutan yung mga shoutout ko, ha?
Just to, I don't know, let you guys know this school was built on a cemetery. I don't know if that helps my situation or not, but previous janitors that have worked here have tried to tell everyone that, you know, every night something happens, some spooky, I don't know, paranormal or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I didn't really believe them until tonight.
Every night, so spooky. Every night, may nangyayaring hindi mo alam kung paranormal. So, binidyo mo. Ginawa mo content. Sige, tingnan natin.
I was in here cleaning up after some students had thrown a party.
Nakaset up ang balloon.
What's been freaking me out is this one right here. No matter where I'm at in the classroom or what I decide to do, it just follows me. And do your thing, you stupid balloon. I got you on camera now, so let's just see that right there. Just ooh, okay. See, no. It just follows me no matter what.
Nakikita niyo yung tangkay niya. Matigas, di ba? Makikita niyo yung ano niya. Yung tangkay niya. Matigas. Pwedeng ano to eh. Baka mamaya may naghahangin dito eh. Or baka mamaya merong ano to eh. Parang may string na invisible sa naked eye. Kasi yung tali niya sa labas matigas oh. Hindi siya yung normal na tali ng lobo. Kaya nakatali sa kanya kaya sinusundan siya. Ewan ko, theory ko lang naman yun. Malay natin kung totoo nga yan. Ewan ko, yun lang ang nakikita ko. Sa akin lang naman yun eh. Kung totoo yan, edi totoo. Mali ako.
Ooh. I can't.
The janitor is completely alone when a red balloon inside one of the classrooms seems to start moving on its own and follows him out into the hallway. Suddenly, he spots a dark shadow quickly darting past a window on the other end of the school. Now, previous janitors at the school claim to have witnessed multiple incidents of paranormal
Mali nga na natin, totoo
activity.
yun eh. Pero sa akin, hindi ako convinced doon sa balloon.
So when the custodian captures this spooky evidence, he shows it to the building security.
Tok na naman! O, anong next mo dyan? Part 2, Part 3, Part 4, ganon.
guard.
It's a. You see how
It's falling out the classroom too.
Look at the back though. Look at the class with the white.
Ano daw?
I'm not crazy. You saw that, right?
Nah, man.
How long you been working security here, man? How long you been working security?
I've been here a few months, but I ain't never seen nothing like that.
As you can see, even the security guard is a bit freaked. So did the janitor have an encounter with the spirits who are buried in the ground below the school? Let me know what you think. We need
Ano yan? Nakatali doon sa yung tali ng balon. Kasi pag lumakad siya, naiiwan yung niya, yung matigas na tali niya. Yung nakasabit sa kanya. Baka may kumokontrol yan. Siguradong mayroon yan. Ewan ko kung totoo yan. Bahala kayo. Pero sa akin, di ako convinced doon. Maaring may iba pang paliwanag yan eh. Hindi talaga ako ganun kagaling magpaliwanag. Pero, hindi paranormal yun. Sa akin nasa inyo naman yun.
need scary videos. So if you see a scary video that you think would be great on the top 5, email us at nukestop5@gmail.com. Watcher at the window. A man is up late one night when he hears strange sounds coming from his home office. He grabs his phone, and what he records is truly shocking.
Nako. Bakit ginagawang effects yung para matakpan nila yung cut to cut or yung pagtago nung yung nasa bintana na yun. Patay sindi ilaw. Isa pa. Ayun kita pa rin yung anino. Ano ka ba?
Now, the guy was freaked out as whatever is outside the window seems to disappear when the lights are turned on. But
Ayun Ayun pa Kita ko pa
look closer. Just outside the window, we can see that there is still a strange
Oh,
pair
yun,
of glowing eyes staring back at the man inside.
Malaya. Bakit siya babalik din pala siya. Ba't umatras pa siya? Kasi nga, nandun yung transition na para hindi mahalatang cut to cut. Para hindi mahalata yung edit nila. Tignan mo, babalik din siya.
Now, online
Ba't hindi yung
viewers
pasinugod? Anong ginawa mo? Tsaka bakit?
said that this video could easily be explained as a person or an animal standing just outside the window.
Baka pusa yun na Alam natin pusa, nag-iilaw yung mata niyan eh. Mga pusa yan. Sa akin lang naman yun.
So, to prove them wrong, the man films the office window again. Turns out the office is actually 2 stories up, with no way for anything to climb up or sit outside the window. So who or what is this? You decide.
Pusa yan. Sa akin, pusa yan. No, pusa yan sa akin. Ewan ko, sa inyo, bahala kayo. Kung totoo yan, edi mali ako.
The crossing. Somewhere in the Middle East, a guy is riding his motorcycle down a lonely mountain road in the middle of nowhere. He encounters something that he just can't explain.
No, tama yun eh. Hindi sinagad yung camera eh. Gumanon lang yung camera eh. So, hindi niya ginanon yung camera. Na wala talagang lulusutan. Pero sa akin, ano pusa yun? Nandun pa nga, nung binuksan yung ilaw, nandun pa yung silhouette niya. Kasi kaya nakikita yun na ganun. Madilim sa loob, maliwanag sa labas. So, nung binuksan yung ilaw, maliwanag na sa loob, silhouette na lang yung makita sa labas kasi pareho ng maliwanag. So, akin pusa yun. Oh, tama yun, tama. Pwedeng pusa, pwedeng ibon. Ayun, pwede rin yun. Basta sa akin, hayop yun.
Some small thing seems to walk across the road right in front of him. Now, that's not so weird, but whatever this is, it seems to be walking on 2 legs, and then it seems to raise itself up and jumps right over the roadside guardrail. The motorcycle rider is shocked. He rechecks his video footage when he gets home, but he has no idea what he encountered on that isolated mountain road.
Pagka ba isolated mountain road, hindi na pwedeng puntahan ng tao. Tao yan eh. Kasi kung hindi tao yan, mawawala mismo sa harapan mo yan. Ay ba't lumundag pa nga doon sa ano eh. Lumundag pa doon sa gilid ng karsada eh. Parang umakyat pa, bumaba pa siya eh. Yeah. Pagka baga mga ganun, bawal na ba magkatao dyan? Hindi siguro. Mga taga dyan lang yan. Ayun, bumaba siya oh.
Disturbing results. YouTuber Tyler Blanchard is very much a skeptic when it comes to ghosts and the paranormal. Tyler believes that the reason ghost hunters usually find so-called paranormal evidence at haunted places is simply coincidence, coupled with the fact that they expect to experience paranormal activity.
Are ghosts real or just scared people imagining things?
So Tyler cooks up a very interesting experiment. He invites his friends to go on a ghost hunt. However, he splits them into 2 groups. One group, including Tyler, goes to a house that many paranormal investigators claim to be extremely haunted, the Brackenford Manor in Lake Arrowhead, California. But the second group, they are just sent to a randomly chosen Airbnb.
This house has never had a reported death in it. No guest.
Sabi ni Irene Creepy PH, thank you Lola Soup. Kung hindi dahil sa'yo, di ako makaka-explore ng Luzon. I'm humbly say thank you Lola Soup. Shout out Lola Soup. Thank you daw, sabi ni Irene Creepy PH.
Have ever recorded any paranormal activity. It's just a normal house.
Now, this house is not haunted in any way. However, The second group is told a fake ghost story about how this typical random Airbnb house is extremely haunted and was the site of some grisly and terrible events, none of which is true.
So in the 70s, there was a family that lived in this house. A burglar basically broke in and the family, and it's rumored that they still are here.
Oh man, not this ghost stuff, man.
So, the experiment begins and the ghost hunt starts at the real haunted house, the Brackenfern Manor. Now, Tyler isn't expecting anything to happen or to find any kind of paranormal activity. So when he and his group start investigating, they're mostly cracking jokes and playing pranks.
Seriously? Tyler, I know you guys are hiding somewhere.
He's talking to himself to try to keep himself.
Narayakan mo na ba to, Tol Rebid, gamer? Narayakan mo na ba to? Try to keep me from getting
I'm getting really scared.
Funny prank.
Oh,
Let's
okay.
end it now, am I right? Please.
Oh,
I heard a noise over here.
umuutot ang gago. Inuutotan.
Boy, for the love of God. I'm not alive. For a good bit, I was scared.
But things are about to get a bit more serious and a bit spookier. The guys head to the house's cellar and use a twist flashlight and an ultrasound motion sensor music box that plays a tune whenever it detects movement.
Now it's calibrated. Everything that happens from this point is something going in front of it.
If you're here, can you make the music box start?
Uy.
Okay, that's fine. Ring the music box if it's okay if we can sit down.
Thank you. Let's sit down right now. Let's go.
That is phenomenal.
Honestly, this seemed so unexplainable, but not as unexplainable as the not haunted house.
Is anybody here with us?
All right, literally nothing was happening there. This is weird. If you are here, would you mind turning on one of the flashlights? Or the motion sensor, whichever you prefer. You prefer the motion sensor? Oh, both, I guess.
Candlelight, that's crazy.
Yeah, that just doesn't happen.
Maaari naman totoo ito. Tingin ko naman mga legit naman ito. Pero ang tanong ko lang dito, hindi ba kayang manipulahin yung music box na yun? Alam ko kayang manipulahin yun. Katulad nung sa yung REM pad. Meron ka lang radyo tapos ibaba mo yung volume nun. Magti-trigger yung REM pad eh. So, ibig sabihin, kayang i-manipula yun. Sinubukan yun ni Sir I.M. Reverie. Yung flashlight, hindi ko alam pero parang may pumipindot eh. Hindi ko alam. Baka control din yun flashlight eh. Meron naman yatang ganun, di control. Anyway, kung totoo naman yung captured nila, edi magandang breakthrough sa kanila yan. So, tingin ko naman mga legit naman ito. Hindi ko alam Hindi ko pa nakita yung channel nito. Tingnan natin.
Wow. And even after repositioning, it still went off. Well, thank you very much for having us. We're gonna go upstairs to this beautiful home. Please stay here. It's been awesome hanging out with you. But we're gonna pack up our things and go. Thank you for this experience. I wonder if the equipment is also going off at the other house, or if it's just going off here. Because if it's just going off here, that is pretty sus.
Real, right? Like that's crazy. I mean, that box hasn't worked at all ever. Until we get here.
We calibrated it 3 times and then it worked every time.
There's some presence moving in front of that machine.
Now, Tyler gave both groups the exact same type of flashlight and motion-activated music box, but only the ones at the haunted Brackenfern Manor are activating. The instruments at the haunted house actually seem to respond to their questions, while over at the Airbnb, the same instruments don't do anything. And the night just gets weirder.
I walk past this door right here, and there's something closed in there.
Which one? Let's put the box in there.
This one.
What? Oh. Wait, that could have been something, right? That could have been the air, the wind.
Celebrate. Oh, okay. Yep. Bingo, baby. It's in the corner.
I'm not doing this anymore.
All right, well, that's kind of all I needed.
A window in one of the rooms moves by itself, and the music box activates as if someone is moving by that window. So, in a final attempt to disprove the creepy result,
Paano nag-move yung window? Yun nga.
rooms moves by itself, and the music box activates as if
Hindi
someone
naman.
is moving by that window. So, in a final attempt to disprove the creepy results,
Kung nag-move yung kung nag-move yung window, maaring may hangin na pumasok. At baka yun na nag-trigger doon sa motion music box nila. Ewan ko palagay ko lang naman yun. Malay mo naman, totoo. Tingnan natin.
from the music box, they try one more test.
We're up doing some late night research.
Leave it silent for exactly 10 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Saktong 10. Medyo may ano na yun Tingin ko kayang i-manipula to Sa akin lang palagay ko lang naman. Kayang i-manipula tong music box na to. Hindi ko lang alam kung paano. Pero kaya yan. Ang makakasagot niyan, manufacturer niyan. Saktong 10 gumalaw. Umilaw. Anyway, kung totoo naman yan, maganda sa kanila yan.
Alright, done with the morse. Thanks for the answer.
Holy shit. Oh, wow.
Why you got tears in your eyes? It's a big boy.
It's a beautiful moment, bro. I believe in ghosts. That is beautiful.
Tsaka yung mga expression nila parang hindi naman tuwan-tuwa sila na nakaka-capture. Parang hindi naman ganun. Parang ang dali lang nila makamove on. Ewan ko bahala kayo.
They test the music box, they recalibrate it over and over, and they even change its location. But it still activates again and again, almost as if something in the house is eager to communicate with them. What makes it even creepier is that the group in the fake haunted Airbnb gets no response all night, and they don't really experience anything unexplainable. So did Tyler's attempt to prove that ghosts don't exist actually prove that they do? Well, you decide. You can watch this full scary experiment over on the YouTube channel, Tyler Blanchard. Fairy?
Hindi ako masyadong believe. Tingnan natin.
Or flying nightmare. It's early in the morning, right before sunrise, when Lisa Nathan from Essex, England, opens the back door to let out the family dog. But something happens that sends Lisa running right back inside. A weird pale something can be seen flying around Lisa before she freaks out and slaps it away. After reviewing the footage, Lisa believes she might have caught evidence of a fairy. Now, I'm certainly not saying that whatever this is a fairy, but it definitely looks very odd and no one seems to really know what this thing is. So if you have any idea on what this weird little flying thing is, let me know down in the comments. Not saying that whatever this is a fairy, but it definitely looks very odd and no one seems to really know what this thing is.
Baka may nagpa-prank lang sa'yo. Halata namang ano yun eh. Halata namang manika yun. Ewan ko kung may hayop nga na gano'n ah. Kung may hayop na parang gano'n, may hayop yun. Parang yung nasa taas yung kumokontrol eh. Ewan ko, para sa akin lang naman yun. Parang may nagpa-prank sa kanya eh. Tingin ko lang naman. Eh, kung totoo naman yan, di totoo may pair eh. Pero sa akin, parang may nagpa-prank lang sa kanya. Galing, pataas yung ano pa, iba yung may direksyon yung ano niya. May tali, parang laruan lang. Parang manigang maliit.
So if you have any idea on what this weird little flying thing is, let me know down in the comments. The woman.
Dalawa yun eh, laruan o hayop. Hindi ko alam kung may hayop na talagang gano'n ah. Kasi sobrang dilim niya, mapagkakamala mo talagang parang fairy. Pero hayop, alam ko hayop yan. Or may nagpa-prank sa kanya. Galing sa taas.
In white. It's 3 o'clock at night when truck driver Kim McGill is headed down the interstate in Markham, Illinois, when something happens that is any driver's worst nightmare.
You can go meet up with him and see if she can get him to confess. And it's a tough decision, I'm sure, but Amy
Bakit?
ultimately agrees. She wears the wire.
Did you see it?
May bata.
A woman wearing a long white dress can be seen crossing the highway dangerously close to the cars and trucks, zooming right by her, almost as if she just doesn't care.
I thought it was really, really weird. It creeped me out. I had goosebumps for like an hour straight on my arms. It was really creepy. It was scary.
Now, whatever this mysterious highway figure is, it has Ken seriously freaked out.
Tumagos siya doon sa unang sasakyan.
Straight on my arms. It was really creepy. It was scary.
Now, whatever this mysterious highway figure is,
Oh, baka batang na, baka taga doon sa kabila yan tumawid sa highway. No? Delikado yung ginawa niya na yun.
it has Ken seriously freaked out. And the next
Pwede namang pinatong lang. Naipakita ko naman sa inyo kung paano gawin yun, di ba?
next day, the story gets much, much darker. Because you see, the next night at the exact same spot, around the exact same time, a vehicle swerves and has a tragic accident on the interstate, ending 2 lives.
Nako.
But again, we're still keeping a close eye on this crash on I-57. What's the latest?
Indeed. Unfortunately, I have sad news to report about this crash here, Laura. Sorry to change gears on such a beautiful and pleasant morning here. It's anything but on the lanes down there. This terrible, violent crash happened before 2 a.m. this morning. State police now reporting 2 people have passed in this incident here on northbound I-57 near 147, just outside of Posen and Dixmoor.
The drivers and passengers in the crash claimed that they saw a mysterious woman in a white dress walking on the road. They say they swerved to miss her, and that caused the accident.
I had another driver reach out to me after I posted it on Facebook that he was going through there about 20 minutes before I did with another driver right behind him, and they seen the.
Oh, pwede naman yung sinasabi niya na refleksyon sa salamin. Pwede. Kaso, sino maglalakad doon sa Ako, duda ko, tao talaga yun naligaw doon. Pero pwede naman refleksyon. Or, dalawa yun pinatong. Gusto mo magpasikat,
same thing as I did. Today, at the same time as we went through there was a car accident, multiple cars. 2 people ended up dying. 2 people went to the hospital. Well, the 2 people that went to the hospital gave a statement that they seen a white figure in the road, and that's why the one car swerved into the other car.
Weirdly, despite these eyewitness reports, cameras posted along the highway show no one walking in the road at that time. So did King capture an entity on his dash cam that caused a terrible car accident? You decide.
Ano yun? Malay mo nga naman. May haunted na ano dun. Haunted yung lugar na yun. Pero for me, nakikita ko patong tapos tama sila, reflection. Pwede rin, reflection sa salamin. At saka yung yung aksidente, paano ko nakasigurado na doon nga yun mismo? Doon sa eksaktong lugar na yun, sigurado ka? Kinlay mo na agad na ganun din. May nakita nila. Medyo mahirap paniwalaan yung mga claim. Pero anyway, kung totoo naman yan, wala man tayong magagawa doon. Basta yung sa akin is, ano lang, may mga nakikita lang akong hindi ko nagugustuhan. Sa akin lang naman yan. Anyway, bahala kayo.
Abandoned? Over 13 years ago, YouTube urban explorers Smash TV Canada set out one night to explore the abandoned old McCormick factory in London, Ontario.
Yan yan, ha? Ano yung nababasa ko? Opo, pogi boss mo. Bakit parang di pa? ano pinag-uusapan nyo? Pogi ako? Maliit na bagay. Ano ka ba? Maliit na bagay? Ano yung pinag-uusapan nyo? Alam ko na yun. Maliit na bagay. Kaya mo na. Hindi naman ako pogi. Konti na. Last na to.
Ontario, Canada. Now, the group is aware that the property is often inspected by security. So when they hear strange sounds from somewhere in the building, they immediately suspect that it could be security and they turn off their flashlights to avoid getting caught. But what happens next is downright chilling.
I'm gonna turn mine off then. Somebody's here.
May kalabog.
Somebody is here. Who's there? Hello? Hello? Watch the metal.
May tao. Ayun, may naglakad.
Who's there?
Hindi niya nakita.
Anybody there? Let's get out of this room as fast as possible, please. Please. Very fast. What's making that noise?
Did you see it?
Tao. Maliwanag na tao. Tsaka yung mga kalabog, siguro sa gumagawa. Ano to? Ano to, Davao? Ay, Mindanao? May mga kalabog niyan. Sigurado siya rin gumagawa nun. Tao, naglakad. Naka-full itim pa siya. Malaya. May kalakalabog.
Someone or something can be seen walking into
Nako. Tao yun. Siya rin gumagawa ng kalabog nun.
your room at the end of the hall. But the scene walking into was just a dead end. So, who or what is this?
Hindi. Paano kayo siguradong dead end? Diba? Hindi nyo naman sinundan eh. Dapat pinuntahan nyo. So yun. Maraming salamat kay Nooks Top 5. Shoutout na sa baba, Tol Rabid Gamer. Maraming salamat sa pagtambay. Ma'am Irene, Creepy PH. At sa Team Green Minded. Shoutout sa inyo. So hanggang doon na lang. Maraming salamat. Nooks Top 5. Bye.